It's cold in here. Well, viewers, welcome back. My name is Mr. Nunn, and today's lesson has to do with this big old overcoat that I'm wearing. In the last lesson, I taught you guys about the elements of a plot, right? So today, we're going to do some actual writing. And today, you're going to write about if your friend gave you a mysterious overcoat. That's right. That's where I got on this big overcoat, boys and girls. Whew. Let me change. Anyway. So today, we're going to get into some imaginative writing, okay? Today, we're going to focus on the mysterious overcoat. Today, I'd like for you to imagine that your friend let you borrow his or her mysterious overcoat. Write a story about what happens when you put on that overcoat. We're gonna have to do some pre-writing activities to get us ready. Okay. Well, the first thing we need to talk about is pretty much a brainstorm cloud. Okay, but it's just really one main idea. So it's just the three details. Okay, things that might happen when I wear the coat. So you write your three things that happen here. All right. You're going to write your first draft. This is one paragraph, three details. Okay. Next, we're going to go to the opening. You can start off like opening your story. Describe what the overcoat looks like, who it belonged to, and why it's mysterious. What could happen? I don't know. Let's find out. Woo! Well, you could have an overcoat that looks like this crazy one. I don't know. If you put it on, what could happen? Maybe you can find some money in it. Let's see what else could happen. Whoa. Or maybe you put it on and it make you feel, I don't know, brave. This thing's really tight. Or maybe it'll just be just a crazy looking coat. But it doesn't matter, because what you need to do in this activity, you're going to need to describe what it looks like. You're going to describe who it belonged to or who you think it belonged to. And you're going to let me know why it's mysterious. Okay? I forgot one more thing. Don't forget the closing. All right? So here's how I want you to end this little writing activity. Tell how you feel when you wear the overcoat and what you think will happen the next time you put it on. I want you to tell me how you feel when you put on that coat. All right? Tell me what it feels like when you wear it. All right? And most importantly, what's going to happen the next time you put it on? All right. That's what I wanted to add. I almost forgot. Like I said, I'm very proud. I'm very happy. My name is Mr. Nunn. I am your writing teacher, and I want nothing but the best for you. So stay tuned to the next episode and post your writing on Dojo so I can see. You wait to see your work. And I'm out.